Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're looking at basic use, how to use the ER-260BEJ register. So the first thing to do is turn the machine on at the side, the rocker switch powers up, and then you need to turn the metal key round to the REG position. It will come up and say register mode closed the first time you use it. So all you need to do to clear that error is to sign in by pressing 1 and then the clerk button. The way this machine works is you probably won't have to do that again unless you're logging in and logging out, but most businesses would use this sort of machine permanently logged in. Okay, so now sales. You've got a bank of buttons here which are called PLU buttons, 15 of them. If you've had them pre-programmed, they'll probably come up with a price and description when you press them. If you've got open PLUs, you simply type in the price and then hit the PLU button. When you've entered all your items in that sale, subtotal, and then you've got a choice of 3 tender buttons. So tenders are methods of payment: cash, check or charge. Cash sale, I would always type in the amount of money handed over. So for example, £20, again without pressing the decimal point, and then hit the cash button. Default mode is receipt with receipt switched on, so you get a receipt printout itemising the sale. It shows the change on the receipt, and it also shows it on the operator display and also the customer display at the back. So that's why I like to enter the amount of monies handed over. So it's really simple to use. If you've not had the machine pre-programmed, then your PLUs will just look like that. So they'll just say PLU 16. So the way you would sell that sort of item to get a price into it, £10. I think some of mine here are unprogrammed. That's right, they don't have descriptions. So they have descriptions but they don't have prices. So you just type the price in, hit the PLU button, it comes up with a description if programmed, and then again when you've entered all your items, subtotal, and then if they're paid by credit card, you hit the charge button here. The reason why we have different methods of payment buttons is so on your end of day report you'll have one total for cash in draw, one total for check in draw, and one total for charge in draw. So what about other types of operation? If you sell multiples of something, you can go the quantity, X time, and then hit the pre-programmed PLU button. It works if it's not a preset price as well, so you can do 5 times £1.99 into that button there. If you've made a mistake on a transaction, you've got a clear button here, so it removes that price. You can then re-enter the price, pop it into that button there. I'll post another video showing more detail on correcting mistakes, and then again when you finish the transaction, subtotal, and there for credit card payment. If you don't want the receipt printed out of every transaction, it's nice and easy to turn the receipt off, but you have also got a copy receipt button here. So if you ring through a sale without the receipt on and the customer wants a receipt, you simply press the cash button there. Okay, so that's covered most of the basic operation. I'll post some videos which will probably be appearing on screen now about how to do your end of day reports, how to program your till if you've not had it set up for you already, and then in more detail at perhaps giving discounts or correcting mistakes you've made. So feel free to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.